Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable Auto Advance in Gmail on your PC. Auto Advance can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top menu, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top menu, open the Advanced tab. This will display additional settings options. Step 5. Next to Auto Advance, click on Disable. This will turn off the Auto Advance feature in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable Auto Advance in Gmail on your PC and regain control of your inbox. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail experience.